The Prime Minister is there today and tomorrow for the Somnath Swabhiman Parv. It is going to be a celebration that lasts a year to mark 1,000 years of what is being described as the resilience. And the Prime Minister said that it is a symbol of civilization, of India's spirituality, and a symbol of Indian faith and culture as well. Tomorrow morning, there will be, in fact, the Prime Minister will be addressing a rally. There will also be a puja that will take place, and the Prime Minister will address a public gathering there. As you can see, thousands of people have gathered there. There you can see the drone show, the Shivling there being created by drones. Quite spectacular, that drone, the drone show that's taking place. Before this we saw Om, now we see the Shivling there celebrating the Somnath temple. There you can hear the Om chanting. In fact, interestingly, this the chanting has been conducted for 72 hours. It is a gathering of saints and swamis from across the country who've come here and gathered at the Somnath Mandir, and they will be chanting Om for 72 hours. Uninterrupted chanting. The Prime Minister also participating. The drone display taking place. We saw an Om created by the drones there, and also Shivalingam, as well as Shiv himself. A representation of Lord Shiv also being created by drones. So this is the celebration of 1,000 years of resilience. Let's go across to Aditya, who is there, who's been interacting with people. And Aditya, the chanting will continue. I'm reading for 72 hours. It will continue. The drone show has been taking place. Describe what's happening to us.
Well, there's so much happening. What to describe, where to begin. But there is mantra ucharan that's taking place, and there is a drone show while the Prime Minister is still inside the Somnath temple compound. You can see right behind me the kind of drone images that are coming on your screens right now. These drones are here, but there are also saints and sages who are coming and speaking about what's and speak to some of these people who have converged here, who were part of the Prime Minister ceremony out here. Let's try and see the gates are still shut. That's mean the official ceremony is still on. Several days of ceremonies that will take place. Apart from the mantra ucharan for 72 hours, apart from the drone show right behind me out here, we'll see an important rally that will begin the day where we'll have 108 horses where Prime Minister will be participating. It will be like a road show that will be taking shape, and after that road show the Prime Minister will offer special prayers inside the Somnath temple where the Jyotirling priest will be accompanying the Prime Minister for those special prayers, and finally we'll have a rally with the Prime Minister will be addressing as well. So a very important occasion here where a lot is being seen. We can now see Sardar Patel in the form of these drone show right atop the Somnath who have converged, and now you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi praying. That's the kind of creation that the drone is showing right now on your screens, live and exclusive visuals coming on the special broadcast on NETV. Prime Minister Narendra Modi with his hands folded atop the Somnath temple. That's the drone show that you are witnessing right now. So very important symbolic event, but also a lot of color, a lot of air here where a lot of saints have converged, and they see this as a victory of a Hindu civilization where a lot of attacks have happened, but still the Somnath temple here in Gujarat is standing high, and the flag of the Somnath temple is also flagging high. We can see a lot of images, a lot of paintings that have been created here, and some people who have converged here